This is Jeremy with Sew and Sweep, and we have some pre-loved machines in the store, and I just wanted to showcase them real quickly. We have actually two Pfaff 720s. We have the original and we have a special edition. So if you're thinking about getting one of these, you can pick one up for a great pre-loved price. We also got in a Pfaff Creative Icon with very low miles. This thing has only 8 minutes of embroidery time and 63 minutes of sewing time. That's a great deal for this top of the line machine. Then over here, one of the shop favorites, we got an Epic 2. They just recently upgraded to the 3. So we have a pre-loved Epic 2 available. This one has 35 hours of sew time and 51 of embroidery time. So just barely broken in. Over here, we have a Juki DX 4000 ready for its forever home. Now over here, we have a Pfaff Creative 4.5 for a great deal. For someone that wants top of the line embroidery, no bells and whistles like Wi-Fi or anything like that to deal with, this is a great machine. Still has Pfaff's built-in walking foot. Over here, we have a Juki F600, a brilliant 75Q8 excellent sewing machine, and we have a Janome Skyline S5, and we still have the Power Quilter 1650 on the floating frame for a low price of $3,999. If you're interested in any of these machines, a couple of them are available to purchase online, basically if we have a box. Otherwise, stop in the store and we can help you out with them.